Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the addsFit Deep Tissue Massage Gun. You can get this product on Amazon for about $170. Check out the link in the description. The massage gun comes with a rechargeable battery pack, a charging adapter, 5 dedicated massage head attachments, a travel case, a user manual, a massage booklet, and a warranty card. The rechargeable battery pack is removable and it is very easy to attach or remove it. First, I fully charged the battery. According to the user manual, it takes up to 2 hours to get fully charged and the battery life is about 270 minutes. Before you can use the massage gun, you have to insert the massage head base into your desired massage head. Operating the massage gun is very easy. You can turn it on by moving the power switch on the bottom of the battery to the on position. With the speed on-off button you can start the device, and with the speed plus/minus button you can increase or decrease the speed. The included massage booklet is very convenient, especially if you're not familiar with massage guns. The percussive therapy afforded by a massage gun provides hours worth of massage benefits in minutes. These short duration pulses enhance blood flow, soften knots and accelerate the repair of muscle fibers, all of which can lead to better prepared warm-up and quicker recovery times. I tested the massage gun for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very good product. It's easy to use and it's great for my body. So if you are looking for an affordable handheld massage gun, I would recommend the addsFit Deep Tissue Massage Gun. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.